Hey guys, it's the day after Canada Day, and yesterday we went to Milne Park to watch fireworks, and it was so hot. But today is less hot, so we're going to Belfountain Conservation Area. It's in Caledon, Ontario. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's an hour away, and it's like around 2, but we decided to be spontaneous, so I'll see you guys there. Now we have made it to the Belfountain Conservation Area. Mom, say hi. Hi. Very foresty, naturey, and in the nice shade, so it's not as hot. My mom's wearing my EF backpack. This is how our trips usually go. The photography.
The photographer today did not bring his DSLR camera, just using cell phone because he's getting tired.
So lazy.
The camera is so heavy. I am come for hiking, not for camera.
I bring the camera for the vlogs. So we finished hiking one trail and made it to the main spot with the waterfall and the fountain, and we just climbed up this little hill, and it's pretty breezy here. It feels pretty nice, and we're just gonna relax a bit before going home. See you guys.